Okay, after that solenoid valve 3 we have to go for the heat exchanger 1 and 2 and then expansion pipe and then exhaust fan. Everything is pretty much explained here, so I don't have to explain. You can download it and see what's going on. And this solenoid have a pretty good system here. One is normal open, fail open, which is when there is no electricity, it will be opened, so the airflow can freely pass to the lungs of the patient. And then this one, the exhaust is normally closed because um, we have to close somehow, so we cannot give a command again and again, so we just made it as normally closed and then given a bypass line which is normally fail open. So when there is a power cut, then you can say it is bypass is working because it is normally fail open. So everything is two-way valve, so no issues here. Just for a fail safe, you can just put this one here and give the command to the computer that to change on and off. That's all, and you don't need this fail close valve, just directly fail safe. So just reducing the time consumption to start this work, that's why. And based on this one, you can use around 1000 peoples. You just need to add the segments here. I just added a bypass here because I forgot this bypass is not gonna work. So just a minor held up, that's all. And this one, you can say that it's a major one. It's only one person you are using this much equipments. Yeah, now it is not like that. So okay, I think I sent it somewhere else. So we just need to add this one, and then like yeah, and then we can just make it double and triple. You can go on. It's not in the drawing, I'm saying in the real life also you can just add on and keep on going. There's no issues. So this is how it works. You can just keep on multiplying it, and um, it's up to you how many people you are going to use, because for a 500 CFM compressor you can at least many more people. It's like 100 or 200. It's up to the doctor knows very well how to give the pressure and how much CFM they required each and every person. So after this connection, I mean inlet and outlet, whatever comes to the patient mouth is up to the doctor who is in charge, or anybody can give a design for that one, or just two hoses goes inside a throat. It's just easier one. So based on this one, you can just build around for million people within 5 days, because not all million people are in one country, right? So each and every country should have more than lot of CFM capacity of compressors. So anybody who want, just use this one. Very simple system, only one setup, and you can multiply it for many patients up to how much capacity your building can hold, or just outside. It's up to you. And this is the solenoid valves command: breathe in, off, on. I mean, this is the fail safe. Solenoid 3 is the fail safe. This is solenoid 3. This is solenoid 3. This is a fail safe. So it is in the drawing, you can just see, but there is a disclaimer. I just want you guys to see that this ventilator is not tested or built yet, and it may or may not be suitable for human needs, but in case of taking a decision between life or death of a patient who are older than 60 years and will not be permitted to have a ventilator, then this then instead of dying without any hope, the older patient will at least have a chance of more than zero to live. I mean, if you pull a ventilator, if you tell them they don't have a ventilator buddy, then there is a chance is zero. So with this one, he will have at least 1% or at least half a percentage. You may not know if it's really working, then it works. Okay, so everything whatever related to the drawing, and we can update just idea, and anyone can update and start the work, and how to measure the balloon and everything. Details are here, you can just start using. I'll just post the comment in the attachment. Thanks guys, bye.